Over the course of human history, our ancestors have cultivated a vast array of foods, each with unique properties. Today, we find ourselves increasingly aware of the importance of a balanced and nutritious diet for maintaining good health and well-being. Yet, the modern world presents a challenge: the rising cost of nutritious foods. It's a sobering thought that access to nature's bounty is becoming increasingly expensive. But what if I told you that there's a way to reclaim control of your health and your wallet? Imagine stepping into your backyard and harvesting a cornucopia of nutrient-rich superfoods. In this video, we'll embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of growing expensive superfoods right in your own home. From vibrant microgreens bursting with flavor to the antioxidant powerhouses of blueberries, we'll explore how you can create a thriving garden of abundance, no matter how small your space. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult with a healthcare professional for personalized dietary advice. Our journey into the world of homegrown superfoods begins with the smallest yet mightiest of them all, microgreens. These delicate, vibrantly colored shoots are, in essence, vegetable seedlings harvested at their peak nutritional value. Don't let their size fool you. These tiny greens pack a powerful nutritional punch. Studies show microgreens can contain up to 40 times the vitamins and minerals of mature vegetables. Imagine a sprinkle of sunflower microgreens on your salad, delivering a potent dose of vitamins and minerals. Or perhaps a garnish of spicy radish microgreens, rich in antioxidants. They are incredibly easy to grow, even in the smallest of spaces. All you need is a sunny windowsill, a shallow tray, some potting mix, and seeds. Within days, you'll witness tiny seeds transforming into a vibrant carpet of nutrient-rich goodness. Harvesting is as simple as snipping them with scissors just above the soil line. Imagine adding these homegrown, nutrient-packed microgreens to your meals. Embark on your microgreen journey today for a healthier, more vibrant you. Our next stop takes us to the realm of leafy greens, where kale reigns supreme as a true queen of the superfood kingdom. This nutritional powerhouse has earned its rightful place on plates worldwide, celebrated for its exceptional nutrient density and versatility in the kitchen. Kale's dark emerald green leaves are teeming with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a true warrior in the fight against free radical damage. It's an excellent source of vitamins K, A, and C, as well as essential minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron. But kale's benefits extend far beyond its impressive nutrient profile. This leafy green is also a good source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and promoting feelings of fullness, aiding in weight management. Growing kale at home is a surprisingly simple endeavor, even if you don't have a sprawling backyard. Kale is a hardy and adaptable plant that can thrive in containers, raised beds, or directly in the ground. Imagine stepping outside to your patio and harvesting a handful of fresh kale leaves for a nutrient-packed smoothie, a vibrant salad, or a hearty soup. Growing your own kale not only ensures access to this nutritional powerhouse, but also allows you to savor its fresh, earthy flavor at its peak. And let's not forget the satisfaction of knowing exactly where your food comes from and how it was grown. Next is blueberries, tiny jewels of antioxidant power. Our exploration of homegrown superfoods now takes us to the world of berries, where the humble blueberry reigns supreme as a tiny jewel of antioxidant power. These small, sweet, and tangy fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that promote overall health and well-being. Blueberries are renowned for their high concentration of anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid that gives them their vibrant blue hue and acts as powerful antioxidants in the body. These antioxidants help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and various diseases. But the benefits of blueberries extend far beyond their antioxidant prowess. They are also a good source of vitamin C, which supports immune function, and manganese, a mineral that plays a role in bone health and metabolism. Growing blueberries at home might seem like a daunting task, but it's a rewarding endeavor that can provide you with a bountiful harvest of these antioxidant-rich gems. Blueberries thrive in acidic soil, so it's essential to choose a sunny location in your garden with well-drained soil and amend it with peat moss or sulfur to lower the pH level. Imagine stepping into your backyard and plucking a handful of plump, juicy blueberries straight from the bush, their sweet, slightly tart flavor bursting in your mouth. Whether you enjoy them fresh, frozen, or incorporated into smoothies, muffins, or jams, growing your own blueberries ensures you have access to these nutritional powerhouses all season long. Now, Goji Berries, ancient secrets for modern wellness. Our journey into the realm of homegrown superfoods now takes us to the Himalayas, where the goji berry, a small, vibrant red fruit, has been prized for centuries for its remarkable health benefits. Often referred to as a superfruit, the goji berry is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and unique compounds that promote overall well-being. Goji berries are an excellent source of antioxidants, particularly carotenoids like zeaxanthin and lutein, which are known for their beneficial effects on eye health. These antioxidants help protect our eyes from damage caused by harmful blue light and free radicals, which can contribute to age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. But the benefits of goji berries extend far beyond eye health. They are also a good source of vitamin C, which supports immune function, and polysaccharides, complex carbohydrates that have been linked to improved immune function and blood sugar regulation. Growing goji berries at home might seem like an exotic endeavor, but these resilient plants are surprisingly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of climates. Goji berries prefer full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. Imagine the satisfaction of stepping into your backyard and harvesting a handful of these vibrant red berries, their sweet, slightly tart flavor a testament to their nutritional potency. Quinoa, the ancient grain. That's surprisingly easy to grow. Our final stop on our journey into the world of homegrown superfoods takes us to the Andes Mountains of South America, where quinoa, an ancient grain revered by the Incas, has been a dietary staple for centuries. Often hailed as a complete protein, quinoa is a nutritional powerhouse, offering a unique blend of protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Unlike most grains, which are primarily sources of carbohydrates, quinoa stands out for its impressive protein content. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein, a rarity in the plant world. This makes quinoa an excellent choice for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to increase their plant-based protein intake. But quinoa's nutritional benefits extend far beyond its protein content. It's also a good source of fiber, which aids digestion and promotes feelings of fullness, and iron, a mineral essential for red blood cell production and oxygen transport throughout the body. Growing quinoa at home might seem like a daunting task, but this ancient grain is surprisingly adaptable and can be cultivated in a variety of climates. Quinoa prefers full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. It's relatively drought-tolerant once established, making it a suitable crop for regions with limited rainfall. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own quinoa grains, knowing that you've nurtured them from seed to harvest. As we've journeyed through the world of homegrown superfoods, we've witnessed the incredible bounty that nature provides. From the tiniest microgreens to the ancient grains of the Andes, each plant offers a unique blend of nutrients and flavors that can enhance our well-being. Remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found these tips helpful. And be sure to check out my other video on screen for more health information using healthy food choices. Growing your own superfoods is not just about saving money. It's about taking control of your health, connecting with nature, and savoring the flavors of fresh, nutrient-rich food.